Bin Laden followed the teachings of Sayyid Qutb, Egyptian thinker credited with inspiring today's global jihadist movement. Qutb argued all Muslims must take up arms against the non-believers, which included any Muslims who rejected his brand of Islam. This philosophy would be used by Bin Laden and al-Qaeda to justify mass murder. In 1954, Qutb was imprisoned for planning the assassination attempt of secular Egyptian President Gamal Abdel Nasser. Qutb's story and his book Milestones would become an inspiration for generations of extremists, including Ayman al-Zawahiri, who would go on to become Bin Laden's right-hand man. He founded a militant cell calling for the overthrow of the secular Egyptian government. At 22, he joined the Egyptian Islamic Jihad with the goal of establishing a theocratic Islamic state in Egypt. Like Qutb, Zawahiri would be imprisoned in 1981 in connection with the murder of then-President Anwar el-Sadat. Over the next decade, Zawahiri and Bin Laden would work closely together, eventually merging their two terrorist networks.